Hey guys, if you have a 2007 through brand new Wrangler, Rubicon, Sahara, Gladiator, I want to share something with you. Now you probably noticed when you got your Jeep how kind of simple and boring the antenna that comes with your Jeep looks. The standard metal antenna just doesn't look very nice, right? I want to share an antenna with you from Rydonair. It's their 7-inch antenna. This is a great antenna. It's going to give your Jeep a really nice look to it, so let's open it up and check it out. Okay, I've just opened it up. Here it is. It's got a great low profile look to it. Also, the base has this cool carbon fiber look to it. It really looks nice on your Jeep. When you put it on there, you're going to notice a big difference in the way the profile of your Jeep looks. Also, your reception. I actually get much better reception with this 7-inch antenna. I'm getting stations from out of town when prior, with the metal antenna, I wasn't getting stations in my own area to come in very well. So I get better reception, a better look. Overall, you cannot go wrong with the Rydonair 7-inch antenna. Now here you can see a video of me removing the old metal antenna and now putting in the adapter for the Rydonair 7-inch antenna and simply screwing in the 7-inch Rydonair, and I am ready to go. You can see just how much better it looks now that the new antenna is on it. It's got rubber outer construction. It springs back into place when bent. I take mine through the car wash all the time. I never have an issue with it. Works perfectly after coming in and out of the car wash. It's been on there for a while now, and overall it's really holding up for me. And in general, if you want to make your Jeep look better, you want to make your radio sound better, I highly recommend the Rydonair 7-inch antenna. Get yourself one. You will be glad you did.